Hey guys, I want to show you today how I was able to make $3,300 overnight. It was a 30% profit. So, really interesting. I mean, approximately 30%. I didn't do the math exactly. It doesn't really matter. So, first of all, I bought SPY yesterday. I bought 40 contracts at 238 per contract. I paid $9,500, and I was able to sell it. Actually, before I say that, I bought it at 10 a.m. yesterday, January 24th, and I was able to sell at 9:31 this morning at opening. I've sold everything at 3.22, all 40 contracts for a total of $12,880. So very very good profit. Short-term options that I don't really like because they are too risky, but I'm going to show you why I felt confident in buying this type of options just at this time. So the reason why I've bought SPY yesterday is because of this indicator that you can easily pull up on TradingView for free. So the indicator is called MSB-OB, and it gives you these red and green tabs. Now I have set it, I changed the settings a little bit, so I have a 9 zigzag length, show zigzag, and I have fib factor 0.273, and then the colors, I mean, you can set it as you want. But anyway, besides that, it works better on different time frame, like 15 minutes. It's my favorite. However, I identified these opportunity here on the 4 hours time frame yesterday morning, around 10 a.m. So we are around here. I saw that SPY approached this red area and started to make lower highs, and it started to be really weak, with these dojis, big dojis, up and down. So I said, this in my opinion is going to sell off at least a little bit tomorrow going into the end of the week. So that's why I've bought the puts, and my target price was 395, and I'll show you on the other chart why. But basically, today it sold off this morning, and I was able to sell. Don't remember exactly when. I mean, we'll find out the price action on the other chart, but it was a great trade here. Then I sold it because the market long term, or 6 months term, is still bullish, and so I didn't trust that price action, and I just took the profit and ran away. Now let's jump. Okay, this is the other chart on the daily time frame. The other one was 4 hour time frame, and the price today was basically sold off, and then after I believe 10:30, it just was a straight line up all day long. And why didn't I trust that sold off at opening? Well, because everything is bullish here on the daily time frame. 5 days double exponential moving average above the 20, above the 50. The MACD is crossed to the bulls and going up. The RSI, I did this wrong. The RSI is going up, and the PMO is crossed to the bulls and it's going up. So everything is bullish at the moment, and that's why I sold off. Also, it went close to touch the 50 double exponential moving average, so I was okay. 50 days. um, just really quick, I'm going to show you on the 3 minutes exactly what I did and how I sold and why. On the 3 minutes, I want to zoom a little bit more. Okay, there we are. 8, 9, 9:15, 9:30, 9:30. I saw that the 5 days moving average, 5 days double exponential moving average crossed below the 20 days double exponential moving average. Both lines were below the 50s, and on this line it touched my 100% move, which was my target 395, and then I sold. It went down some more, but I wasn't really looking for anything more than I already did. Uh, so how did I draw Fibonacci? How did I get that 100% move? Here it is on the hourly time frame. If you zoom in, boom, there it is. You can see this is the high, this is the low over here. Well, it's not where it is here. Let me draw it back. Okay, so here it is. I couldn't see it. So this is the high, this is the low over here, and that's the other high over here. And that is all price action that happened pre-market. So, this low over here was taken down from the move after 8 o'clock, and that's why I bought. I mean, I didn't buy, but I just waited and sold at opening. As you can see on the hourly time frame, it's fairly clear on how this worked when all the way down, actually after 100% move. But again, that was okay with me. So high, low, high over here, and the low broken from this candle. So that was just perfect Fibonacci. And then after this, look at, I mean, I wanted to buy calls over here, but I was busy today. I mean, after I profited, I shut it off and I left. And sometimes you just don't want to overtrade because you get overconfident, and then that's when the trouble starts actually. So that's it for today. Spy, nice game. We will talk again